I haven't had any punctures for 14 months. I'll show you how. So I did originally have slime in the tyres, so it's got tube tyres. I used to get a puncture about every 6 months. And because I've got complicated drum brakes, I can't take the wheels off myself. So the Tannus Armour is a foam insert, goes in between the tyre and the inner tube, and it forms a protective barrier. So if you do get thorns and things going in the tyre, the Tannus Armour will stop it puncturing the inner tube. So I haven't had a puncture for 14 months. It's been great. So I needed the Renshaw bike shop to install it. Gives a little bit more suspension, I feel. The ride's a little bit smoother. And overall, I don't really notice it. Doesn't affect the rolling resistance. Quite a good, ingenious solution.